The ASX is expected to shake off yesterday's sluggish start to the year after Wall Street headed into its first 2018 trading day on a high note. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq closed at fresh records, gaining 0.8 and 1.5% respectively. As for the blue-chip Dow Jones Index, it finished 0.4% higher. The Consumer Discretionary Index was one of the best performers overnight, gaining 1.44%, thanks to a 1.7% gain in Amazon and a 3.9% increase in Disney. Gains in Apple, Facebook, Alphabet, Google's parent company, and Microsoft lifted the technology index higher by 1.4%. Technology was the best performing S&P index last year, gaining 37%. Last year, the US market had its best performance since 2013, given the S&P 500, Dow Jones and Nasdaq surged by 19, 25 and 28% respectively. This rally is widely expected to continue in 2018, helped by the Trump administration's corporate tax cuts which may boost corporate profits and the US economy. It seems as if most economists have raised their GDP forecasts for 2018, and we're going to get some form of a fiscal stimulus into an economy that has a tight labor market, said John Brady, Senior Vice President at futures brokerage R.J. O'Brien and Associates in Chicago. The market is pricing all of this in. Oil prices dipped but hovered near their mid-2015 highs amid large anti-government rallies in major exporter Iran and ongoing supply cuts led by OPEC in Russia. Gold hit a 3-month high, while the US greenback began the year on the back foot. The Australian dollar rose 0.4% to 78.32 US cents. The iron ore spot price has jumped by 3% to $74.71 per tonne. In addition to the US-listed shares of BHP and Rio Tinto have surging by more than 3% overnight.